I have seen how the opioid crisis has changed millions of lives around the world. For many of us struggling with heroin, fentanyl, or prescription painkillers, the hardest part is not the desire to quit, but surviving the painful withdrawal. That is why more of us are exploring alternative approaches, including Ibogaine treatment in Mexico. But what exactly is Ibogaine, and is it truly a breakthrough in opioid recovery or a misunderstood therapy that requires careful consideration? Ibogaine is a naturally occurring psychoactive compound derived from the root bark of the African shrub Tabernanthe iboga. It was traditionally used in West African spiritual ceremonies and has gained attention in modern addiction medicine for one specific reason. It may dramatically reduce opioid withdrawal symptoms, often in a single session. Unlike maintenance medications such as methadone or Suboxone, which replace one opioid with another, Ibogaine works differently by metabolizing into noribogaine and interacting directly with opioid receptors. Many people describe this interaction as a brain reset. Patients frequently report that within 45 minutes to an hour, symptoms like shaking, nausea, sweating, bone pain, and intense cravings begin to fade, sometimes disappearing entirely. Instead of weeks of tapering or months of post-acute withdrawal syndrome, Ibogaine can fast forward the detox process into roughly 24 to 36 hours. In Mexico, Ibogaine exists in a legal gray area where it is unregulated and not listed as a controlled substance, allowing licensed clinics to offer therapy under medical supervision. Because of this, Mexico has become a global hub for treatment, with specialized centers, especially in Baja California and near Cancun, developing hospital-grade protocols with trained doctors, cardiac monitoring systems, and emergency backup support. These are not underground operations. The most reputable facilities operate transparently with full medical screening and staff experienced specifically in Ibogaine detox. The process typically lasts 7 to 10 days. Patients arrive several days early for stabilization and medical screening, which includes blood tests and a 12-lead ECG to ensure the heart is healthy enough for treatment. On treatment day, the patient receives what is known as a flood dose, and within an hour the medicine begins working. The experience usually unfolds in two phases, starting with a visionary phase lasting several hours, often described as a waking dream where patients may revisit memories and emotional trauma. That is followed by an introspective phase where emotional processing continues while the body completes detox. A full session can last 8 to 12 hours, followed by a mandatory recovery period while medical staff monitor heart rhythm continuously. Ibogaine temporarily affects heart rhythm and can slow heart rate, a condition called bradycardia, and in rare cases it may cause arrhythmias if not properly monitored. That is why reputable clinics require full cardiac screening, liver panels, continuous heart monitoring, and ACLS-certified doctors and nurses present throughout the session. Ibogaine should never be taken alone or in a non-medical environment. When strict protocols are followed, risks are significantly reduced, but they are not zero. However, observational studies suggest that 50 to 80% of patients experience elimination of acute withdrawal symptoms. Some studies report that 30 to 50% of patients remain abstinent months or even years after treatment. By comparison, traditional rehab programs can see relapse rates as high as 90% within the first year. Ibogaine treatment in Mexico generally ranges between $5,000 and $7,000 for basic medical programs, $8,000 to $12,000 for standard professional care with private rooms and full monitoring, and $15,000 or more for luxury options. PlacidWay partners strictly with fully vetted, medically supervised centers ensuring hospital-grade safety protocols. Healing doesn't happen in a sterile, cold environment. Mexico offers the perfect backdrop for your physical and spiritual rebirth. The warm climate and compassionate cultural hospitality provide the ultimate sanctuary for your brain's neuroplasticity to take hold. It's not just rehab, it's a retreat for your soul. Let PlacidWay connect you with safely vetted, world-class Ibogaine clinics in Mexico. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe.